Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Italian famous pasta carbonara. To make this recipe, I'm going to use pecorino romano cheese, 2 pieces of egg yolk, veal pancetta instead of guanciale, black pepper grounded, and today I'm going to use spaghetti pasta for this recipe. To start with, first of all I'm going to mix yolk and cheese with touch of vegetable stock just to get ready with the first step. Some people add cream in this pasta, however adding a cream does not resemble a carbonara pasta, so use a pasta ingredient without a cream and make it a perfect carbonara pasta following the recipe. After mixing yolk and cheese together, keep aside. In a pan, drizzle some olive oil and saute veal pancetta till it's slightly crisp and golden brown in color. When pancetta is ready, add 1 ladle of vegetable stock or pasta water just to deglaze pan and control the heat of pan. Along with that, lower your heat of pan. Meanwhile, add your boiled pasta in the boiling water. When your pasta is ready, strain and drop over pan, then saute together with pancetta. Now it's time to pour our yolk cheese mixture on it, then start to mix properly with a lower heat. As soon as we pour the mixture of yolk and cheese, it will start to melt and bind all together. While mixing, if you see pasta is getting tighter, add spoons of pasta water and mix it very well until it's creamier in texture. To finish the pasta, you could also use black peppercorn powder and crispy pancetta on top. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful recipe of carbonara pasta. Thank you very much for watching till the end. Still, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do hit the subscribe button. Next week, I'll be back with another delicious professional recipe for you all. Till then, it's me Amir signing off for today. Take care. Bye-bye.